Okay, let's create one of my personal favorite figure, motorcycle. Okay, in this figure, inflate a balloon like this, leaving a 4-inch allowance here. And now, make a loop here for our wheel, front wheel of our motorcycle. Create a 1-inch bubble here, make a ear pinch twist here, put this portion here through this loop that we created recently. Okay, so this is it, the front wheel of our motorcycle or Harley Davidson. Now create a 1.5 bubble here and create a 1-inch bubble here. Make a pinch twist here, just like that. And this is the headlight of our motorcycle. And this time, let's create bars here, bars of our motorcycle. Create a 1.5-inch bubble, create a 1-inch bubble here, another 1-inch bubble here, and another 1-inch bubble here, and another more than 1-inch bubble here. Let's adjust this. I think that's quite enough. So this is it. Okay, put these two together like this. And that's it. Now, our next part would be the fuel tank of our motorcycle. Create another 1-inch bubble here. Make another 1-inch bubble here. Okay, 1.5 inch, 1 inch. Make a ear twist here or pinch twist. This will serve as the engine bay of our motorcycle. And next part is the seat area of our motorcycle. Now we ran out of allowance here. Of course, we need to trim this out. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so let's repeat the process. 1 inch here, 1 inch here, 1 inch here, pinch twist, now make a loop here, just a loop. Put the last end here for the rear wheel. That's it. So we have here the body of our motorcycle, but we're not done because of the bars. Okay, so we need to arrange this first. Make a pinch twist or ear twist with teddy bear twist like this. Teddy bear ear twist. Do the same thing here. Twist as many times as you want, as possible, rather. I think that's enough. Now, it's time to pop this middle part. Okay, we're done. And that's it. And this is my one balloon motorcycle. How about that? Vroom, 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 vroom.